Are you ready to turn your TikTok obsession into a money-making machine? In 2024, TikTok isn't just a platform for fun dances and viral challenges. It's a goldmine for entrepreneurs and content creators alike. But how exactly can you cash in on your TikTok fame? Today, we're diving deep into 7 simple yet effective strategies that can help you rake in the dough. From attracting sponsors to selling your own products, we'll explore every avenue for maximizing your earnings on this addictive platform. So, let's get started on your journey to financial freedom with TikTok. Number 1. Market your business and attract new clients. Harness the power of TikTok to amplify your business presence and captivate a broader audience. By sharing valuable insights, behind-the-scenes glimpses, and engaging content related to your expertise, you can establish yourself as a trusted authority within your niche. Utilize TikTok as a dynamic marketing tool to drive traffic to your website, expand your email list, or increase visibility for your products and services. Whether you're a consultant, entrepreneur, or small business owner, TikTok offers an unparalleled opportunity to connect with potential clients and customers on a personal level. Showcasing your passion and expertise through compelling storytelling and interactive content can attract new clients, foster meaningful relationships, and ultimately propel your business to new heights of success in the ever-evolving digital landscape. Number 2. Score sponsorships. Unlock the potential for lucrative partnerships by leveraging your influence on TikTok. With the platform's expansive reach and engaged user base, brands are eager to collaborate with creators who can authentically connect with their target audience. Utilize TikTok's creator marketplace to explore sponsorship opportunities that align with your content and values. Whether you're passionate about fashion, fitness, beauty, or beyond, there's a sponsorship waiting to be discovered. Showcase your creativity and storytelling skills to craft compelling campaigns that resonate with your followers while promoting the brand's message. As you build a solid reputation and grow your audience, you'll find that sponsorships not only provide financial rewards, but also open doors to exciting collaborations and networking opportunities. By fostering genuine relationships with brands and delivering authentic content, you can turn your TikTok presence into a profitable platform for both creativity and commerce. Number 3. Tap TikTok's Creativity Program Beta. Dive into TikTok's latest monetization tool, the Creativity Program Beta, designed to reward creators for their ingenuity and dedication. This program replaces the previous Creator Fund, offering even greater earning potential for those who meet the criteria. By producing longer videos, 1 minute or more, of high-quality content, you can qualify for this program and start earning rewards. With a threshold of at least 10,000 followers and 100,000 video views in the last 30 days, creators have the opportunity to significantly boost their income streams on TikTok. While specific earnings may vary, TikTok promises the potential to earn up to 20 times the amount previously offered by the Creator Fund. Embrace this opportunity to unleash your creativity, share your stories, and engage your audience on a deeper level while reaping the financial benefits of your TikTok success. Join the Creativity Program Beta today and discover a new avenue for monetizing your passion on TikTok. Number 4. Use gifting. Engage with your audience in real time and unlock a direct revenue stream through TikTok's gifting feature. Whether you're live streaming or sharing short videos, viewers can show their appreciation by sending virtual gifts, which translate into tangible rewards for creators. These gifts, ranging from stickers to animations, not only enhance the viewer's experience, but also serve as a form of monetary support for your content. As viewers contribute gifts during your live sessions or in the comments section, you accumulate diamonds, a virtual currency that can be redeemed for real money. By actively encouraging participation and fostering a sense of community, creators can cultivate a loyal fan base while monetizing their TikTok presence. Whether it's a small token of appreciation or a generous contribution, every gift counts towards your success on TikTok. Embrace the gifting feature as a powerful tool for connecting with your audience and turning your passion into profit on the platform. Number 5. Sell with TikTok Shop. Harness the power of TikTok's e-commerce capabilities to directly monetize your content and connect with consumers. Through TikTok Shop, creators and businesses can seamlessly integrate shopping experiences into their videos, live streams, and profiles. By signing up and linking your account to the TikTok Seller Center, you gain access to a suite of tools for showcasing products, conducting live shopping events, and driving sales. Whether you're promoting your own merchandise or partnering with brands, TikTok Shop offers a dynamic platform for showcasing products and driving conversions. While TikTok takes a commission on sales, The potential for reaching millions of engaged users makes it a worthwhile investment for creators looking to expand their revenue streams. Embrace TikTok Shop as a strategic tool for monetizing your creativity and building a thriving business on the platform. Number 6. Monetize using the series feature. Unlock the potential for recurring revenue by leveraging TikTok's series feature to offer exclusive content to your audience. With the ability to gate your videos behind a paywall, you can create premium experiences and monetize your expertise in a variety of niches. Whether you're sharing fitness routines, beauty tutorials, or cooking masterclasses, the series feature allows you to package your content into cohesive collections and set your own price points. With the flexibility to offer up to 80 videos of 20 minutes each, creators have the opportunity to cater to diverse interests and preferences within their audience. By providing value-packed content that resonates with your followers, you can incentivize subscriptions and generate a reliable stream of income on TikTok. Embrace the series feature as a strategic tool for building a loyal community of subscribers and monetizing your passion for creating engaging and informative content on the platform. Number 7. Collect tips from viewers. Empower your audience to show their appreciation and support directly through TikTok's tipping feature. If your personal account boasts at least 100,000 followers, viewers can express their gratitude by offering preset tips of $5, $10, or $15, or even custom amounts. By opting in to receive tips and setting up a Stripe payment provider account, creators can seamlessly collect contributions from their loyal fans. This feature not only provides a way for viewers to express their appreciation, but also offers creators an additional revenue stream beyond sponsorships and product sales. Whether it's a small token of encouragement or a generous donation, every tip contributes to your success as a TikTok creator. Embrace the tipping feature as a powerful tool for fostering community engagement, rewarding your dedicated followers, and monetizing your content in a meaningful way on TikTok. Start collecting tips today and watch as your audience's support translates into tangible rewards for your creativity and dedication. Making money on TikTok in 2024 is not just a dream, it's a tangible reality for creators who are willing to put in the effort and creativity. By leveraging these 7 simple strategies and staying true to your unique voice, you can turn your TikTok passion into a profitable venture. So, what are you waiting for? Start creating and start earning on TikTok today. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep creating, keep inspiring, and keep earning.